outside where they dudes tryna pull up. Got a bunch of stones, but they cold like a push up. They will never know, but they so tryna fool us. Got a fofo and they really tryna fill us.
Hi! I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I actually love making videos like these because I can legit dress how I want and do what I want in these videos. I'm legit in a whole robe, butt naked, not even caring right now. Let's just get right into this video. Yo guys, what's going on? It's me over here, and today I'm teaching y'all how to make tacos because y'all niggas don't know how to make food. I actually don't even know how to make tacos, but I guess we're gonna learn together. And yeah, let's hop into that video. Alright, so first off, you're gonna want to get the meat out of the fridge. Now, the meat that I have right here is legit Kroger brand. Oh, the camera's out of focus. Alright guys, so the meat that I have right here is Kroger brand meat. Everything I'm using here is probably gonna be from Kroger because that's the only place I legit shop at. So don't make fun of my Kroger things, alright? Next, you want to get the queso. You want to get the cheese. I got this. Yeah, I got this from Kroger too. So yeah, we're gonna use this next, and then, well, we're not gonna use it next. We're just gonna put it over there for right now. After that, you're gonna want to get some onions. I'm not gonna use a full onion that hasn't been chopped yet. I'm gonna use this onion because I'm gonna chop a little bit of pieces off of this. Put that over there. Then you want to get the bread. What is this called again? The wrap tortilla things. You want to get these things. All right, you want to get these things. Make sure they're all good and stuff. And yeah, smack that. Oh. Yeah, you want to smack that over there, and yeah, that's pretty much all you need. And we'll get the stencils to cook the food. Oh yeah, I forgot, you need lettuce. I don't know if many people like putting lettuce on their tacos, but you know, we can try stuff, you know. We can try something different, you know. All right, so after that, you're gonna want to get 2 skillets. You're gonna put them. I'm gonna put these both right here. You're gonna leave this right here for a second. Don't move it or anything. It's not like it's going anywhere. And then we're gonna show you how to cut the meat open. All right, guys. So this is gonna be how you cut the meat open. All right. So first off, you're gonna want to slide it down the middle of the meat, like so. Then you want to peel the. Then you want to. This meat's not coming off. All right, maybe I should do this over the skillet. Hold on. Then you want to make sure the meat, all the meat gets in here. You know, I'm having a little bit of trouble right now. It's okay if it doesn't fall out perfectly because it's just gonna get mixed up anyway. So let that, come on, meat. Give me my meat. All right, hold on. All right, all the meat is now in here. So you wanna, after that, you want to turn the stove on. I'm just turning it on 7 for right now. We're going to turn it up later whenever we get to going and stuff. But yeah, so far, this is what your meat's going to look like. You're going to keep it right there in this circumference skillet, you know what I mean? Don't use the skillet yet. We'll get back to that whenever the taco meat is done. That's what the tortillas are going to get in. I said tortillas. Tortillas, or whatever it's, I don't know what it's called. Alright guys, this meat is sizzling. It's almost not red anymore. There's still a lot of red. I've been kind of slacking and getting on my phone because I need to let it warm up a little bit more. But you guys get the idea. It's getting a little brown, and you can start seeing the little chopped up pieces of it. This is about to be some nice taco meat we about to use here, boys. Look how sexy this meat is. This meat is just, don't you just love meat? Oh my god. Hey yo, shout out to the people that actually told me to make this. I would have never thought to make, maybe I should make tacos one day. And I don't even know how to make tacos. I need to actually have someone come here and teach me how to make tacos. I feel like I'm actually making a mess right now. But I need to have someone teach me how to make tacos though, for real. This meat is still red. Oh my god, how long does this take? Yo guys, I just turned up the oven on really high. I think it's on too high right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back down because it smells like it's burning, and we cannot have burning meat. So I'm gonna turn it back down. But yeah, it's almost there. This is the most boring part. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I just gotta make sure you guys don't die. I make sure I don't die, so there's no red meat in here, you know what I mean? Alright guys, so the taco meat is done. It's looking nice and crispy. I don't believe to see no more red. I hope there isn't more red. If there's more red, then I'm just gonna die. Alright, so actually no, I'm forgetting the important part. I need to drain the meat actually. Making sure there's no more extra grease in there. Alright, usually you're supposed to let this cool down, but I don't have time to wait, so I'm gonna just do it like this, you know? Because you only live once, right? Wait, am I supposed to let grease pour like this? I'm gonna just put the meat in a bucket, okay? Alright, now we're gonna get a bucket in here. Oh, we're gonna put it over there. Oh, the onions, oh. Alright, we're gonna put that meat. We're gonna put that meat right in there. We're gonna put that meat in there. I'm gonna try my best to do this. So we're gonna just do that. Taco meat is done. We have the most important part, the meat. So yeah, we're good now. I'm gonna get rid of this. Alright, now that meat is done, you're gonna wanna pour a little bit of cheese, not that much. Just a tiny little bit. I don't think I should use the same spoon. So you're gonna get a little bit of cheese. Well, that's a lot of bit of cheese. You're gonna do that, and I don't want to put that much though. You're gonna, hold on. Oh. Alright, then you wanna mix it together. Mix it together like so. Yeah, that actually looks low-key fire. You can't even lie. Like this right here looks low-key fire. I may have put too much cheese in it, but we're all good. Alright? We are all good. Alright, so what you want to do now is you want to cook the tortilla. Now why do I keep, what are these called? Like, I don't know. I honestly don't know what these are called. So you're gonna want to get 2 of these out here because I'm only gonna make like 2. Alright, I'm gonna put one right here, one in the skillet, put it in the middle, and I'm cook it on high or 8 or whatever because I do not feel like waiting. So this is what's gonna happen. This is basically what's gonna happen. Alright, we're gonna keep it like this, and yeah, wait for it to get a little black, and then we should be Gucci. Alright, Gucci. I kind of forgot to put oil in the pan, but we're good. We put some later on. I'm trying to, you know, spread it around, you know, get it all oiled up. But for some reason, it's taking a long time to heat up. I don't know what's going on. I had to get another one because that was too much oil. Alright, like that was way too, I think this is too much to be honest. Like, what is going on? I guess this will be good.
How's your video going?
She asked how the video's going. It's going perfectly, can't you tell? Alright, now is the time where you need to like kind of flip it over. So you just take it and flip it. Simple, like that. I don't need forks, I don't need nothing. You just flip it. I like mine a little bit crispy, so I'm gonna let this crisp up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let it get a little crisp in there. It looks like there's a lot of oil on it. Like, I low-key wanna wipe that off. Cause looks like there's way too much oil. Alright. I just wiped that off with a paper towel. What am I doing with my life? What am I doing with my life? Alright, I think it's time to flip it again. So you flip it again like so. Look how beautiful that looks. Like, oh, it's so golden and crispy. It is so golden and crispy that you just want to love it. Alright, when it starts turning a little bit dark brownish color like that, that's when you know that you're almost done. So I'm gonna flip it on this last side. And yeah, and then we're gonna put the meat on it and some other stuff. And we're gonna make it beautiful. Like, just straight up beautiful, you know? So this part is done. So you're gonna take it out. Put it on the plate like so. I was gonna cook both of them, but like I don't feel like doing that, so we're gonna just put this right there. All right. Now here comes the fun, exciting part. So we're gonna take. Hold on. I should probably get the tripod. All right. What we're gonna do now is. Oh! fire. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, it's bugging. It's bugging. Oh, how did they catch on fire? How? And it's still burning. Like, yo, chill. What just happened? Yo, I almost kicked my tripod over. Yo, what is going on? What? What is going on? My whole stove is covered in water now. Hold on. But anyways, back to what we was doing earlier. We was putting the meat on the thing. Yeah. All right. So now we're gonna put the meat on the bread or tortilla thing, whatever it's called. Make sure you get some onions in there. You're gonna wanna sprinkle some lettuce. You know, get that little extra little healthiness in there because we love to be healthy. Now, I don't know if you want your taco a little bit spicy. I mean, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this stuff on there, you know, just to make it a little bit spicy. I'm not gonna put that much. So, yeah. I've never even like, yeah, that's a little too much. So I'm gonna spread it across here a little bit. It's like putting Taco Bell sauce. Actually, we have Taco Bell sauce. What the? Yo, we have we would just have Taco Bell sauce. I didn't even know. So I'm gonna just use this instead. Even though we already put that on there, but it should add a little bit more flavor, you know? And then, boom! Wait, hold on. I forgot one more ingredient. Always gotta have the shredded cheese, okay? Shredded cheese goes on everything that you cook in my video, okay? Alright, look at that. That actually, it looks alright, right? Right, guys? I guess now all we do is just pick it up and try it. I mean, do people put ranch on tacos? Eat it like that, you know? That's actually like fire. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty good. This is just amazing, alright? Look. That is so good. I think I'm gonna start up my own taco shop. Like, this is just delicious, you know? Like, it just tastes so wonderful. Like, you guys probably think I'm kidding, like, I'm being so serious. Like, this actually tastes good. For some weird reason, it actually like tastes like really nice. Like, I was not expecting this to taste good at all, but it actually tastes like really good. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I'm gonna go eat this deliciousness. Like, look at that. I'm gonna go eat this deliciousness by myself and enjoy my life. Hopefully this one gets as much as head as the party pizza video. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace! Hi, it's me again. I'm becoming a SoundCloud rapper. You should check out my album in the description. Thank you. By the way, it's a joke album. Like, do not take it serious.
Large coke, large fry, hot apple pie. Niggas took a mess, then he gonna have to die. Put him on his knees and I'll make him wanna cry. If you ain't about the money, please bye-bye. I be all about the signs like Bill Nye. Run out of ideas, so I had to resupply. I don't